flying full width and has been totally restored complete. The pilots today, Anthony Waco, Dr. Pat Anderson, he's the pilot, Dr. Richard Heiss, Embry-Riddle Provost. In the mall is Peter Weber, safety pilot. From St. Augustine, Florida.
Hey, that's how I grew
Now
up.
she's rolling to the left, and she's turning to the left. Yep. Rolling to the left, and turning to the left. Remember earlier today she rolled to the right? No, she rolled to the left, but was turning to the right. Yeah, that's what was going on. That's bad. Right down here. Put it back on the stick. Roll to the left, over the top. Right up there. Completing a vertical maneuver. Goes straight up there. She'll stop it. Watch this. Still rolling the airplane around. Rolling, rolling, rolling. And kicking it over on one side. To come right back down with a roll on the vertical down line.
Out there in the water taking pictures.
Gene McNeely, on the 2014
Straight out.
and he business for over 20 years. Gene McNeely. That's my children. Thank my lucky stars to be living here today. 'Cause the flag still stands for freedom, and they can't take that away. The Vizcheco 50-foot long watercraft manufactured by Victory. With a top speed of more than 200 miles per hour, this Vizcheco utilizes two piston-powered 1,650 horsepower engines, producing 3,300 horsepower in total. The Vizcheco boat is and the airplane's right alongside. They're struggling to catch up. This is just the heat. Heat number one. We have two heats today. The second heat counts. He'll work his way down. This aircraft powered by our Pratt & Whitney 985 30, the three-bladed Hartzell propeller. Producing 460 horse on 1,500 pounds of thrust and adding the streamers these days. This aircraft weighs 3,920 that goes straight down. Turn him off. The last bit.
thrill, the knowledge, and the expertise required to push the limit, to have a passion for flight, to do it right, and to do it well. Matt has been flying professionally since 1980, and in that time has logged over 18,000 hours of accident and incident-free flight time. To put this in perspective, if you were to try to log all of those 18,000 hours in one single flight, you would have to sit down for 2 years, that's 6 days and 12 hours. Or imagine a graduate of Embry-Riddle being trained to be an astronaut by NASA, and then being sent to the International Space Station for a 6-month-long mission. By the time that she returned to Earth, she would have only been airborne for only 1/4 of the time that Matt had. in front, your 2014 Thunderbird and the inspirational Delta Burst.
I don't see them. Oh, there they are.
Surround himself with excellence. And now inbound from directly in front, the Thunderbirds dedicate this final pass to all the airmen that have gone before us and have paved the way for a brilliant future.